Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Prime Coding. I am Aditya, and today I have an exciting news for you all. Cognizant has officially kicked off their on campus placement drive for 2025 batch. And the great thing is, they have started really early for the 2025 batch recruitment program, and this early start is a fantastic news for those of you aiming to join Cognizant, giving you more time to prepare and secure your future with one of the top IT companies. So in this video, I will be covering each and every step that the Cognizant has just now published in their PPT and how you need to crack it, what all resources you need to achieve or ace their recruitment program will see in this video, as well as I will let you know some preparation tips. So without wasting time, let's check out all the criteria like eligibility and stuff and much more in this video. So very first thing that everyone is interested in, which is a role and package, which is Gen Z. Basically they hire for Gen Z, but I guess in my time, Cognizant came very late. Not in my time in 2023 as well as 2022. They came in next year, February, March. So this time they came very early, guys. So 4 LPA for Gen Z program and 5.4 LPA for Gen Z Pro program, and Gen Z next is 6.75 LPA. This all will be given to you guys whoever cracked their placement drive. So Gen Z next, what it is. So individually who technically proficient with advanced programming and matured coding skills and full stack ability will get the Gen Z next program. Gen Z Pro, which is around 5 LPA. So the individual with expertise in enterprise platform product specific technologies such as Salesforce, Pega, SAP, cybersecurity, cloud, data, service now, and much more trending technologies in IT industries. Gen Z, where individual with foundational programming expertise, they should be agile learners with ability to comprehend complex problems and deliver smart solution. Guys, this profile is very easy to get into, but the most hard is, I would say, Gen Z Next and Pro, which they need a specific type of candidate who know these types of stuffs, and they are a quick learner. Okay, they will test everything in their interview process, and their online assessment is a big assessment journey. I will let you know everything in this video. So 2025 campus hiring program. So we got all the PPT details for one of our candidate college. So everything has been shared with us, and I will share with you all so that you will be prepared beforehand. When company visit your campus, you are already prepared with all the things that is required to crack this company. So primarily based on the communication, programming ability and aptitude, screening will be emulation and elimination process each and every round. Now ensure registration is done accurately. Guys, make sure it is done accurately, because I have so many candidates who are not filling their name properly, not filling their details properly, missing a few of the important parameters and getting rejection mail. Then they started blaming the company that I am a potential candidate but they have not hired me. So please ensure evidence of skill certificate and upload mandatory. Okay, so these are the tips. Now communication aptitude technical assessments are the mandatory to be completed to be eligible for technical interview. Now technical interview will be conducted in person. It may be from your college, or it may be you need to go to their campus. Okay, now internship will be offered to subset of selected candidate, which is a great news, guys. In 24-26 they were not providing the internship, but this time they have tried to give the subset of candidate. What do you mean by subset, Aditya? Those candidate who got shortlisted for their drive, and from the shortlisted candidate, they will choose a subset of people who will be allocated for their internship program. Now, based on salaries, business demand, and performance, provisional certificate availability, other certificate candidates will be full-time employee, which is FTE, and post-successful completion of engineering degree, onboarding timeline will be notified to the candidate. So this company takes a little bit time, but okay, you will get your join letter in 6 months only. So provisional certificate degree availability will be mandatory to join Cognizant. So this is not your headache, this is the college headache. Now voter ID card, passport you should have at least for the identification purpose. Now let's see, first is the registration program, second is the screening program, communication round, which is in total of round 1, and each and every round is online through the campus or from the home. Okay, so only one attempt is given to all the assessment. You can't take, okay, I have a network issue, do they will give me a next chance to appear? No, they will not give you a next chance to appear. So now online assessment has three parts, where is an aptitude assessment, technical assessment, so this is about round 2, and offline technical interview of Gen Z Next Pro and Gen C. So this is round 3, which is offline, and the last, which you are waiting for, which your family is waiting for, which is an offer letter of intent, whether you will join the company or not. So all these stuffs will discuss very clearly what they will ask, because we have everything in clear, concise manner. So eligibility criteria, which is one of the important. So only these degrees are allowed to sit in this particular opportunity. So IT students from 225 batch and branches, any branch is eligible. Students should possess consistent academic record of 60% of 60% or greater in 10th, 12th, diploma, UG and PG. So if you're talking about UG, PG, you should have more than 6 CGPA as well, or yeah, more than 60 GPA, I would say, and 60% would be in your 10th and 12th. Now, subject will be taken into consideration, calculated as aggregate percentage, some of the subject total and stuff, so you need to go on. So this is the way that you can calculate your CGPAs, a percentage of your CGPAs. So student with standing arrears, which is backlogs, or more than 2 years of education gap are not eligible. But the best part is, if you have a year gap or 2-year gap, you will be accepted. But if you have more than 2 years of gap, you are not accepted for this recruitment type. So at the time of joining, recruits should have overall aggregate score of 60%. So it might you got backlogs, or you're not able to perform in your last semesters and your CGPA went down from 6 CGPA, then you will definitely face consequences that they will revoke your offer. So aggregate your student who have applied, and re-evaluation and weighting will be derived based on the initial scores. So CGPA to percentage conversion will be considered as per the university norms, because each and every university has their own conversion norms. So please do check your particular CGPA as per your university norms, what percentage that you are getting from it. Okay, now, opportunities are open only to Indian nationals, and age limit are 18 to 30 years. Okay, so upper age limit, however, may change on particular work criteria and position be sought, and technical requirements and work experience is written here. But there is a news for 1-to-1 mock session. If you want to ace this recruitment drive, we are here to test your skills of all programming as well as your HR and managerial rounds. And resume review will be given to you. Personalized feedback would be given to you. Suggestion for future improvements, such as roadmap, what all things that you need to do, where you are lacking and how you can improve it. We'll let you know everything in this particular section. And expert guidance, just you need to head over to primecoding.in and we will take care of your offer letters. Yes. Now, sir, I got shortlisted for digital role. Bingo. And the mock session are incredibly helpful. So next can be the you that the person has cracked this particular opportunity. Let it be Gen Z, Pro or Next. Okay. So now round 1 that we have saw in the flow chart. So communication test. So there are 3 sections, duration 60 minutes. Okay, so section 1 is reading grammar. In this part, students are read paragraphs and answer asked by AI. So great. Questions come from one another, each with its timer. After the time runs out, the AI will ask questions and students need to repeat the sentence with correct grammar using PC mics. So you need to take your laptop to the campus if it is from your college. Otherwise, it is from your home. You need to have a mic with you so that you can speak well, and grammar they will check in the particular speech. And remember to read the sentence and the passage thoroughly. Stay calm despite timer. So provide answer with proper grammar. Okay, otherwise you will be rejected. And yes, section 2 of the communication test is comprehension and listening. Now, the first step, they were telling it, and you need to speak without having any grammar mistake. And here you need to listen, and it is about your comprehension. So AI will read a comprehension which students have to listen properly and answer the question asked by AI. After the passage, listen properly and answer the proper grammar. So similar like section 1. And section 3 is speaking. In this section, student has to speak on the given topic. Let it be a behavioral topic. Okay, you can practice this now. Like let's say you will get a situation where how you can communicate if I leave you in a party. So you should start speaking because it's a random situation. At least speak for 2 minutes and check your grammar, how you are speaking it, and whether you are maintaining your grammar mistakes or not. And use proper pronunciation, okay, without repetition of words and in a good vocabulary. So avoid the use of fillers while speaking. So just stop talking when you think that you start fillering. Okay, so please stop, then just go away your fillers, then start creating your own sentence and speak. Okay, now aptitude test duration is 80 minutes, two sections, quantitative aptitude and analytical logical reasoning. So now it is for 80 minutes and the other was for 60 minutes. Okay, now in this section there are three sections. Duration would be 120 minutes in total, where section 1 is coding part, which is the prime coding is known for. Section 2, query database MySQL, I will take care of it. Section 3, knowledge MCQ, we can see. So coding in Python, what you can expect is data structure, functions, OOPs, file handling, libraries and modules, and exception handling in Python language. They have other things for each and every language. We'll see one by one. So query database, you can expect languages present in SQL, understanding constraints and their types, SQL operators, SQL functions, clauses in SQL, joins and their types, subqueries, views and indexes. So these types of things, please make sure you will go through. Now knowledge consist of Unix commands and shell scripting, data warehouse basics, ETL, which is concept of data warehouse, data mart and ODS. Now cloud computing. So cloud computing resources is there for essential. It can be used for this particular approach as well. Now technical assessment, which is cluster 1, as we have saw. After clearing your whole round 1, which has 3 components, after clearing that, each and every round is elimination round. So after clearing your round 1, you will be qualified for round 2, which is a technical assessment, coding in Java programming, Python programming or C++ programming, and these are the topics for all these stuffs. And moving forward with Python as well, data structures, functions, OOPs and exception handling, as I covered it. Now the thing is, coding in C, you will get search, sorting, string handling, array collections, control flow statement, date time exceptions and handling OOPs. Now query based and coding on web UI, which is HTML, CSS, ANSI, SQL, HTML, CSS and JavaScript questions, basic questions. They will ask you to mark the correct options. Round 3, which is a technical interview. The technical interview will be based on computer fundamentals, coding language, data skills and cloud. Okay, letter of intent. The organization will extend a job offer to the chosen candidate based on their technical interview, HR interview, Cognizant exam performance. Everything is joined together. Now then your scores will generated, and according to your scores, if you are passing the threshold value, you will get shortlisted. Okay, so if you want the Cognizant series, just head on to 500 likes and 100 comments and I will upload the Cognizant series just for you, where we'll solve n number of coding problems, n number of MCQ problems, and number of each and every stuff that we have saw in the technical part. And this opportunity, it is an on-campus opportunity, so links and all you will be provided through your TPOs. So please contact your TPOs if you have not received your IDs for your links for this opportunity. Otherwise, if I got other opportunity link of Cognizant, I will put in the description. So thanks for watching this video. Please head on to the target so that I will upload the series just for you, just for your sake. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.